Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You power on the Lihan Bluetooth now, and you check the LED to know it's ready. Once you see a steady blue or a quick flash, the unit is live. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone or PC because visibility matters. Make sure your device is discoverable for a brief pairing window. Press and hold the Lihan power button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Listen for the confirmation tone, then move immediately to select the device name on your host device. Once paired, you verify the connection by watching for a solid LED and a short confirmation tone. This tells you the link is established. Now open the Lihan app or the host audio settings to assign profiles, adjust volume, and choose input versus output roles so audio routes correctly. If the host asks for a PIN, try 0000 then 1234. Once accepted, test with a short audio clip and monitor latency. Make small adjustments because proper configuration prevents dropouts and maintains best sound quality. You wrap up by testing the complete setup. Play audio, verify the microphone if applicable, and walk the typical range to find any weak spots. When you finish, disconnect using the host's Bluetooth menu, and if you must reset, choose Forget or Remove Device before repairing. If problems persist, reboot both units and retry pairing. Make sure to remove nearby interference such as crowded Wi-Fi channels or appliances. One key tip: repairing after a full reboot clears most stubborn link issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.